Have you ever thought, I'm eating healthy, so why do I still feel sluggish, bloated, or just out of balance? You're not alone. For years, I believed that the healthy meals I was eating were doing me good. But instead of feeling energized, I felt tired and uncomfortable in my own body. You see, even the healthiest foods can cause problems if they don't align with our changing bodies. And that's when I discovered the Meno Reset Protocol, and let me tell you, it completely changed the way I feel. If you're ready to feel lighter, more energetic, and truly in control of your health again, then keep watching. Because today, I'm going to share with you the protocol that helped me lose 28 pounds, balance my blood sugar, and feel like myself once again. Let's start with the basics. What is the Meno Reset Protocol? Simply put, it's a step-by-step program that helps women, especially those going through or after menopause, reset their hormones, balance their blood sugar, and improve digestion. You may be wondering, what does that actually mean? Well, let me break it down for you. As we get older, our bodies naturally go through significant changes, especially in our hormones. Our metabolism slows down. We might experience hot flashes or fatigue, and sometimes we just can't seem to get rid of that stubborn weight around our middle. These are all connected to hormonal imbalances, poor digestion, and blood sugar spikes. The Meno Reset Protocol addresses all of these issues in a gentle, natural way, without the need for medications or hormone replacements. It's about going back to basics, focusing on the foods and lifestyle choices that support your body in this new phase of life. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and our body becomes less efficient at processing the foods we eat. This leads to common struggles like weight gain, digestive discomfort, and fluctuating blood sugar levels. But what many people don't realize is that these struggles are often the result of what we put in our bodies, and more importantly, how our bodies process those foods as we age. For many years, I thought I was eating healthy. But despite my best efforts, I couldn't lose weight, and I often felt sluggish and bloated. Why? Because as I got older, my body simply wasn't processing foods the same way anymore. The foods I thought were healthy, like whole grains or dairy, were actually contributing to inflammation and disrupting my blood sugar balance. So why do we need a reset? Because our bodies needs change with age, and we need to adapt. The Meno Reset Protocol helps you understand what your body needs now, so you can thrive instead of just survive. So let's get into the details. How does the Meno Reset Protocol work? The program is built on three main principles: nutrition, elimination, and pacing. Each one of these helps reset your body's natural balance, especially as it relates to hormones and blood sugar. Here is how you can get started with each step. Number 1. Eating the right foods. The first step is to choose foods that nourish and support your body. Think of foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent choices because they're packed with essential nutrients that support your hormone health and digestion. Also, focus on healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats are crucial for maintaining healthy hormone levels and providing. And don't forget fiber. Foods like broccoli, Sweet potatoes and chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and supports digestion. When your digestive system is working well, your body can better absorb the nutrients it needs, and your hormones can stay balanced. Number 2, removing the wrong foods. Next, we need to remove the foods that can disrupt our health. These are often foods that were once fine when we were younger, but as we age, they can cause issues. Sugar, processed foods, and refined carbs can cause inflammation and spikes in blood sugar, making it harder to manage weight and energy levels. Now, I know it's not easy to give up certain foods, especially comfort foods. But the key here is moderation. Instead of cutting out everything you love, try replacing them with healthier options. For instance, instead of reaching for that sugary snack, try a handful of almonds or a piece of dark chocolate. These can help satisfy your cravings without causing a blood sugar spike. Number 3, taking it slow. The final principle is pacing, taking it slow and being kind to yourself. This isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about gradually adding healthy habits to your routine and letting your body adjust. Remember, this is a long-term reset, not a quick fix. Start with small changes. Maybe you begin by replacing one processed meal with a healthy, home-cooked option. Or you might start your day with a glass of water and some lemon instead of coffee. These small steps build up over time, and before you know it, you'll feel the difference. Number 4, benefits of the Meno Reset Protocol 5 FUT. So what benefits can you expect from following the Meno Reset Protocol? First, many people experience weight loss, especially around the belly area, which is common as we age. By stabilizing blood sugar and reducing inflammation, your body starts to let go of that excess weight more easily. Next, there's improved energy levels. One of the most common things people notice is that they wake up feeling more refreshed, with more energy to get through the day without those mid-afternoon crashes. Many people also report better digestion. No more bloating, constipation, or uncomfortable stomach issues. When your digestive system is working well, it can absorb nutrients better, helping your body function at its best. And of course, there's the improvement in mood. A lot of women experience a sense of emotional balance as their hormones stabilize. With less sugar and processed foods in the diet, you might notice feeling less irritable and more at peace. Let me tell you a story about a woman I know who tried this protocol. She was in her mid-50s, struggling with weight gain, constant fatigue, and digestive issues. She had tried various diets and weight loss methods over the years, but nothing seemed to stick. After just a few weeks of following the Meno Reset Protocol, she noticed a big difference. Not only did she lose 20 pounds, but her energy levels improved dramatically. She felt lighter, less bloated, and had a much clearer mind. Most importantly, she said she felt in control of her health for the first time in years. Her success isn't unique. Many women experience similar transformations after following this simple, natural reset. I truly believe that the Meno Reset Protocol can help you feel better, more energetic, and in control of your health again. It's not a quick fix solution, but a sustainable and gentle approach to getting your body back in balance. Start slow. Choose one or two small changes to begin with and take your time. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every little step forward is an improvement. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health, no matter your age. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to try out the protocol. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it.